Hello. My name is Joseph Graham, and what you're looking at right now is called a heat map. Okay, so just to keep it short, sweet, and simple, when somebody is searching for a painting service or a service that you offer, they are either going to ask somebody they know, "Hey, do you know who does this?" Or they're going to search, right? They're going to use the internet, and what this map shows is where your map listing appears in certain areas. So for instance, if I live in South Fort Worth, so if I were to type in painting contractors near me, these are going to be the top three businesses. And these top three map listings, the businesses in the map listings get 80% of the phone calls. They get the first calls. And it's usually the one with the best ratings that they do business with, right? A lot of people think, the ads, but the ads only get 10%, and these organic listings below only get 20%. These map listings get 70 to 80% of all the phone calls. Okay. So with that said, if someone is in the Grand Prairie area, you're going to appear number two in these maps, only in this particular area right here, where it's green two. Everywhere else, you don't show up in those top three of the map listings, which means you're missing out on a whole lot of phone calls. Okay. So if you want to learn more, I'll show you more. Just contact me.